You think that looks stupid?
Yes.
Time to do some work. Alright man, this has been 2 years in the making. Took the frame, we made it, took the engine out 300-400 times. So we're gonna drop the 5.3 back in. We got the tank, we got the drive shaft, we got the brakes. We got this baby, brand new Ford 9-inch. What else? Here's all our suspension coilovers, Mustang 2, snacks, A-arms. Oh man, I'm excited. How about you? You don't look excited. I'll be excited for both of us. You excited? Yeah, that's what I thought. All right, man. What do you want to do first? You want to throw this, we'll put this pig back in there?
Yes.
All right, let's dig out we got our 4 links all painted up from last time. And, not a whole lot of talking on this one. It's just going to be doing. Yeah. All right.
You find your tie rods that you were looking for? Or?
Yeah. Yeah, it's looking better, huh?
So replace the wood on the seats and like saying outside.
Oh yeah. Bye. That looks cooler with the ready.
Definitely.
You want to do your fuel line brackets too while you're there?
That is, what?
Your fuel line brackets you made.
That is. Too bad.
Can you get it in
I
there?
said world hunger, not you hunger.
You don't have to go real tight with those because we still got to run the lines. Just have them hang there.
It supports itself.
These are my custom 3D printed and line hanger dangers. What did we use for filament? We used a high strength, high temp, fuel oil rated. The red ones are just dust covers for my body mounts, but those should be a little more heavy duty. We'll see how they work. Oh, there's one more back here.
Yeah.
And then I got one there. I'm running fuel lines now? Might as well just run them, huh?
Yeah, I hate that so much.
I need your help with these because it's kind of hard. I got to snake the lines. We got to go from here and run them all the way up.
Do you need me to hit something?
I do not need you to hit anything, no.
Yet.
I just spent 2 years building this and about $800 painting it, and you're hitting it with a hammer.
This is how it feels to be at the pit stop of an F1 race. Is that how it feels?
Yes.
Okay. Wait, how do you know how that feels?
We're going to have to go under that bar though. Let me get these two situated. Oh, sorry. What we should do, we should work right here and work our way backwards.
Okay.
My filter. Behind it. Here it is. That looks was awesome, man.
Yeah.
Nice work on the fuel lines. Okay, I'm back. Forget what day it is. Day 2, day 3. Just me and the house wolf today, no kid. Got the rear end all taken care of. Threw my e-brake kit in the other day. I don't know if you can see. I'm gonna work on this front end, get it back on all fours. And then I'll bring the kid back and we'll drop the engine in. Ready, dog? I gotta flip them rollers around. I don't know if you could see that they're backwards. Pisses me off. Let's do it! E, I have things to hit with the hammer and you're not here. Shit. I think that's it for today. I ran out of stuff. Got the last of my bolts painted up over here. Hit them with a little black and go home, let those dry. It's getting cold out. Shit don't dry as fast as it used to. I'm gonna go get the kid next weekend and we're gonna put that engine back in. And the last piece, drive shaft, maybe the core support. That's it. That's it. Almost done. Hang in there. I'll be right back. You ready to put this engine back in?
Yeah.
All right, man. You know which way to go with it. I'll put the transmission bracket on and then we'll spin it around and put it in its home for the last time. We gotta quit saying that or we're gonna jinx it. Almost, couple more.
Okay, I can't go back too much farther.
Slow-ish.
Okay, I think you
Go in.
can come in now a little bit. We're close, right? A little bit, right there. Whoa.
And then I'll drop it a little bit and we'll put the bolts in the back of that. Ready?
To go on the outside, Justin?
Outside, yeah. You think?
I think we're over it. I can't tell. Right.
All right, mounts are in. You want to drop it all the way?
Yep. Three, two,
Okay, that's good. Tighten her back up. No, you gotta tighten it. You gotta tighten the thing, or it won't go. All right, now crank it up. I'll unhook the chain as you go. That'd be good. Here. Yeah, just shake that right up.
Turn up and down or same? Underneath, there you go. 2 hands work good.
That's better. Drive shaft. And we'll take it for a ride.
Huh? Did your oil pan looks a lot better?
Oh yeah. Remember this thing that we had to buy twice because you cut it in half?
Definitely something metal in here.
Oh, cool, man.
You should send it back. I don't think they welded it.
What'd you do?
I just opened it.
Hey, grab that in. Grab the tube. Put it right up in there. We'll have to turn it until it feels like it's gonna go. Oh, yeah. Does it go?
Yeah.
Does it go in?
Yep.
Oh, nice. Okay, now bring it back. It's in, baby.
How many different nuts and screws do we have to put on?
Just these two. You want to push it outside, E? It's nice out.
Yeah.
Last sunny day. Oh, my fuel lines. Yeah, throw them up in the back. You good? I'll put it in park. Cool. It's done.
Chassis complete.
Those tires look really big, don't they?
Pretty cool on there.
Be cool if I could fit them that tall. I might not be able to get that wide, but
Like you had a lot of room in that rear fender.
yeah, I made that as tight as I could. I'm probably gonna have to cut the bed because I think the bed overhangs, so I'm gonna have to put an inner fender in the bed. How'd that oil pan turn out?
I mean, it's pretty good.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Uh-huh.
Lots of room now.
Yeah.
And there's more clearance here too. I didn't need the clearance, but heck, I could probably get that pan down without taking the engine out.
Uh-huh.
We've
That'd
been
be
there a
awesome,
few
yeah.
times with small blocks.
It's a bonus.
Yeah, we got lots of room now. Lots of room for jumps, huh? No jumping. You're gonna put the exhaust.
On the top.
I didn't think that far. I thought back to here, and I don't know where to go. Getting out the back's gonna be hard. Here, and then maybe over around that tank, around the sway bar. Or we can go right out the side, front of the rear wheel. Scare old ladies. That's it for this one. All done. We're gonna push it back in the garage, cover it up for the winter, and then we're gonna go work on the cab. We already brought that home. We're tearing into the floor.
We're not taking it out again
No, it's in.
for like the 47,568th time.
It's in for good. So yeah, we're gonna put this in storage. We're already working on a cab. We've got to rebuild the whole floor. So that is at our home shop. And then hopefully that's our winter project, and then in the spring we'll put it back on this guy. So what do you think? Send them off?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe. Don't forget to check that bell for more videos.
All right. See you,
See you,
citizens.
citizens.